Okay, I got me a Chinese diesel heater. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while. Seen the prices have gone down on them, so I got me one. I took it out of the main box. It's a lot easier for me here, but I haven't opened anything up, so let's see what all I got here. The manual. This is a 12 volt. What do they call it? 8,000 watt. So let's see. Air heater, diesel oil, model ZM500B, 12 volt, 40 watt. Heating power 1,000 to 8,000 kilowatt. The nasty old foam. Let's see what we got here. That would be the controller. This is got all the fancy icons, show the pump and how everything's working. There's a little pump. ZM 19.2 22-12. Not sure what all that means, but oh, yeah, let me get this out of here. And that'll be the little remote. I'm trying to do this and get everything in view for you. Yeah, I always get those little foamy dudes on stuff. So this will probably be the intake. That'll be the fuel inlet, and that'll probably be the exhaust on that side. A little foamy piece in there. I'll get that little foam out later, a little later. And the big box. This is looking good. Parts, and lots of parts. Whole bag full. I'll get that open in a minute. The good fuel line. This plastic is supposed to be better than the flexible. I guess the other one is, when it's pumping, there's more flex into it, and so this is supposed to be the good fuel line. Guess we got a wiring harness. That'll be good. End cap. Exhaust. Well, the air outlet. Intake, not all bent up. That's nice. I would say they've done some good packing here, because I don't see a lot of these videos I seen. This stuff is all mashed up. They're just thrown in on top. This one's perfect. Not even a dent in it. Let's see. And the exhaust. Looks like stainless. Looks like it's got a little booger right there. That'll be easy to get out. Oh, okay, another rubber hose to fit your put over your lines. It's supposed to be a fuel filter with this model. I guess people call these a little noise maker. It's for the air inlets. Bracket for the muffler and a muffler. The straight through model here is supposed to be a little better, quieter, more efficient. That's why I've been watching YouTube also, guys. I took some pointers from the other guys here. This is why I bought this model. They had that straight pipe. Oh, there we go. You get these little screws must come out of the bag there. Make me a little more room on this side here. Okay, this would be the mounting plate. It looks pretty stiff. Go back in here. Show you the fuel filter. Another reason why I bought this one. Comes with the fuel filter, which I wanted, and it's bigger. Some of them are tapered, and this one's going to have more capacity here. Another reason I bought this, because it had the bigger fuel filter. See if there's anything important down in here that we need. I can tell you about. Oh yeah, the little rubber doodad for your fuel pump. Keep it quiet. That's important. Hoses, little tie straps, a lot of nuts and bolts, and 10-liter fuel tank. That baby is big. I can't. Okay, now yeah, I guess you can kind of see it. I can move the camera back a little bit. That's pretty good fuel tank size. 10 liters, I don't know what that is in gallons, but looks like that's going to run this a little while. Comes with the bolt package. Another little weight for your fuel line. So, yep, yeah, if you want to mount it, you have to drill these out. That's no biggie. So, my first unboxing video. I'm pretty happy I got this. I've been wanting one quite a while. So I get my kind of collected for items for a cargo trailer conversion. And I've seen these are really good price, and look like the price is a little cheaper right now than I've normally seen it. So I get a little extra money, so I popped on this baby. And once I get it together, I'll get another video up. You know, if you're interested in these, I'll leave you a link down there. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you a penny more, but I make a little sales commission. which can come in handy. But thanks for watching, and subscribe. There'll be a lot more on this here, and a lot more of my solar items are coming in by the end of the month. So that's more video on solar stuff. That's a lot of my main stuff that I'll be doing. Thank you.